Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, this is the coding problem of the weekly contest 445. The question is the find closest person. So let's go through the question. You are given three integers x, y, and z. Represent the position of three people on a number line. So there are three integers given x, y, and z, and this is the position of the person on number line. So x is the position of person 1, y is position of person 2, and z is the position of person 3 who does not move. Means these three person does not move, and both person 1 and person 2 move toward person 3 at same speed. Now we have to determine which person reaches person 3 first. So now let's understand with the help of example that is given. So the example is x equal to 2, y equal to 7, z equal to 4. So just a minute. So we have given x equal to 2, y equal to 7, and z equal to 4. So we have x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7, and z is equal to 4. And these are the points on the number line. Means x is somewhat here, z is here, and y is here. X is equal to 2, z is equal to 4, and y is equal to 7. Now what question is saying that both person 1 and person 2 are moving toward 3 at same speed. Means both x and y are moving toward z at same speed. Means, and we have to find whether x and y who will reach z first. Who will reach z first. ठीक है. And they both are moving at same speed. So if they are moving at same speed, then speed is equal to distance upon time, right? Speed is same, right? Speed of the both is same. So time will equal to kd. Sorry, t is equal to d by s, right? And speed is same, so time will directly be proportional to distance. Means the person whose distance is more will reach at great time, and if person whose distance is less will reach at less time. So from this example, distance between z and x is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2, right? And distance between z and y is 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So x will reach z first because distance is less than y. So the output would be 1, because 1 is denoting the person x is equal to 2. Now let's understand another example. X is 2, y is 5, and z is 6, right? So difference between z and x is 4. So x can reach z in 4 steps, right? And difference between y and z is 6. So y can reach z in 1 step. So person 2 will reach fast, right? So output would be 2. I hope you have understood the logic. Now let's show you the code how I have coded this one. So what I have did, I have find out the distance between zx and zy, and I have done the absolute value, because distance can if I do z minus x, then it can come in negative as well, right? So I find out we have to find the absolute value of the distance between two. So if distance is equal, then we have to return 0, because then both will arrive at the same time, because if distance is same, right? If d1 is less than d2, means x will reach z fast, so we will return 1, if else return 2. So friends, if you can see, the question is submitted, solution is successfully submitted. So friends, I hope you have understood the logic, and if there is any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you friends. Now let's move to another video. Bye.